I started with Exit Realty back in 2004 as I was an agent broker. The market was kind of sketchy there in the beginning, but within a couple of years the market started turning around. We've now grown to about 85 agents in total between our two offices. We'll do between 500 and 700 transactions a year in helping our clients buy and sell homes. We've become very successful. We've helped a lot of agents be able to reach their goals, which is the funnest part for me. It's been really tremendous. There are really 5 things that set us apart. We focus on training, branding, technology, and then the culture that we love, which is our family culture, being able to help people develop financial security within the real estate business. The best thing to do is call me on my cell phone, shoot me a text. Number is 801-699-2585. If you want to try our technology, you can text Kevin K, K-E-V-I-N-K, to the number 85377. That will send you my mobile business card and we can connect that way.